Did you know that nearly 70% of wealthy individuals attribute their financial success to automating their investments and savings? It's a game changer. Elon Musk is a visionary, a mastermind who has revolutionized industries and amassed an enormous fortune. When we think of financial freedom, we think of people like Elon Musk, who have cracked the code to generating wealth effortlessly. And the secret to his success lies in automation. He's always been a proponent of streamlining processes, and when it comes to wealth growth, he's no exception. Musk's philosophy is simple: automate as much as possible, and let the machines do the work for you. By adopting automation, he's freed himself from the shackles of manual labor, allowing him to focus on high-leverage activities that drive real growth. And the results are staggering. He's built a fortune that's out of this world, and it's largely due to his ability to harness the power of automation. Financial freedom is not just about having a lot of money. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about the financial burden. And automation is the key to unlocking that freedom. By automating your wealth growth, you can create a perpetual money machine that works for you day in and day out. But before we dive into the world of automation, let's take a closer look at the common challenges individuals face when trying to achieve financial freedom. Most people struggle with saving money, and even when they do, they often fail to invest it wisely. They are stuck in a cycle of manual labor, trading their time for money, and never quite getting ahead. The truth is, manual processes can be slow, inefficient, and prone to human error. They hinder growth, and they are a major obstacle on the path to financial freedom. When it comes to wealth growth, time is of the essence. Every minute wasted on mundane tasks is a minute that could be spent on high-leverage activities that drive real growth. And that's where automation comes in. It's the game changer that can turn the tables in your favor. Manual processes are not only slow but also prone to emotional biases. When humans are in charge, emotions can cloud judgment, leading to poor investment decisions that can devastate your finances. Automation takes emotions out of the equation, ensuring that your investment decisions are based on cold, hard logic. Another major challenge is the lack of diversification. Most people put all their eggs in one basket, and when that basket fails, they are left with nothing. Automation allows you to diversify your investments, spreading your risk and maximizing your returns. And let's not forget about the power of compounding. When you automate your investments, you can take advantage of compounding, which can grow your wealth exponentially over time. In today's digital age, there are countless tools and platforms that can help you automate your wealth growth. From robo-advisors to dividend investing, the options are endless. And the best part is, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. Investment apps like Acorns, Robinhood, and Stash allow you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio with minimal effort. You can set it and forget it, allowing the power of automation to work in your favor. Dividend investing is another powerful strategy that can generate passive income streams. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn a steady stream of income without lifting a finger. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are another way to automate your wealth growth. You can invest in a diversified portfolio of properties, earning rental income without the hassle of managing physical properties. Peer-to-peer lending is yet another option, allowing you to lend money to individuals or businesses, earning interest on your investment. And let's not forget about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, which can facilitate fast, secure, and transparent transactions. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is, you don't need to be a tech-savvy individual to take advantage of these tools. They're designed to be user-friendly, allowing anyone to automate their wealth growth. But what about the risks? Isn't automation prone to errors and hacking? The answer is yes, there are risks involved, but the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. By diversifying your investments and using trusted platforms, you can minimize the risks and maximize your returns. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds too good to be true. But trust me, it's not. The power of automation is real, and it's been proven time and time again. One of the most fascinating examples is Elon Musk's use of automation in his investment strategy. He's a master of using algorithms to identify investment opportunities, and his returns are staggering. He's able to process vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns that human analysts would miss. Musk's approach to automation is rooted in his understanding of artificial intelligence. He believes that AI can be a powerful tool for identifying investment opportunities and has been using it to great effect. By automating his investment decisions, Musk has been able to generate enormous returns, far exceeding the market average. And the best part is, he's not a financial expert. He's just a visionary who understands the power of automation. So, what can we learn from Musk's approach to automation? Firstly, we can learn the importance of diversification. By spreading his investments across multiple asset classes, Musk has been able to minimizing his risk and maximizing his returns. Secondly, we can learn the power of algorithmic trading. By using algorithms to identify investment opportunities, Musk has been able to take emotions out of the equation, ensuring that his investment decisions are based on cold, hard logic. Lastly, we can learn the importance of staying ahead of the curve. Musk is always on the lookout for new technologies and strategies that can give him an edge in the market. In conclusion, automation is the secret to financial freedom. By automating your wealth growth, you can create a perpetual money machine that works for you, day in and day out. Remember, financial freedom is not just about having a lot of money. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions without worrying about the financial burden. And automation is the key to unlocking that freedom. So, what do you think about automation in finance? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video on wealth growth strategies.